Okay.
Raining outside.
So this is Hausi. He's in the T19 Sierra, and he's going to tell us what we were doing today.
Today we are eating, sitting, chatting, dancing, nothing else.
Dancing.
Because of dancing. And this Hebrew we don't understand. Don't worry. Put on English. Is there
No.
English song?
Alan is going to bust out some galgalats.
I don't know about that.
That's the only radio station we listen to here. Galgalats. Do you like galgalats, Hausi?
What?
Do you like the radio station Galgalats?
Yeah. Please study.
It has good
Yes,
tunes.
I will dance. You.
And then this is it. Isaac. Isaac, what do you have to say for yourself? Isaac is really bored as well. There now. Alan's going to get up and do a dance for us in a few minutes. Hausi is going to do some interpretive dance.
Hey, increase the volume, man. Increase the
I
volume.
think my battery is 10.7. Have you batteries? You have a player?
No, we don't have any batteries.
My battery is
Look.
10.7.
No, Hausi can do dances without music. He doesn't need music.
Anyway.
Hausi's getting all camera shy now. I'm going to keep the camera on him though. He's going to have to try and hide. Look, he's hiding. Ah, he hid.